You've done something wrong, turn to Allah immediately. Promise Allah, never again. I won't do this again. Never. It's not worth it. Wallahi, we are insan, we are human. We do falter, we do fall. But at the same time, turn back to Allah. He is merciful. He will forgive you. But don't plan to commit a sin again. The 4 conditions of asking Allah's forgiveness: to admit, to regret, to ask for forgiveness, and to promise never to do it again. 4 things. Did you hear those 4? Can I say them again? Admit your sin. Regret it. Ask Allah to forgive you for the sin, and at the same time, promise not to do it again. If those conditions are met, any sin between you and Allah is wiped out. If a person commits the same sin again and again, like I've always said, you need to ask Allah's forgiveness again and again. And on condition that when you are asking Allah's forgiveness, you haven't planned to sin, to repeat the sin. When I'm asking Allah's forgiveness, I must say, never again. I can't say, oh Allah, I committed this sin. I admit it, Ya Allah, I regret it. I ask you to forgive me. I won't ever do it again. And then you stop for a moment and say, I might just do it again. Astaghfirullah. That's not what we want. You will not do it again. Then sometime later, if shaitan gets hold of you and the same sin is repeated, go back and repeat the same 4 stages. You never lose hope in the mercy of Allah.